Hi guys, I hope y'all are doing good. So, what I'm gonna make right here, this right here, okay. I got my wings in there and I have a taste for some Mexican corn. So in here I have mayonnaise, a little bit of cream cheese, a little bit of ricotta cheese. I have a little bit of this in there, some chili powder. We're gonna mix this all together, okay? And my cilantro went bad. Maybe I got some dry cilantro. But no, my cilantro went bad. Oh, I was sad about it. So I used to drive all around for this corn. And then one of my friends was like, hey, you know all you need is some mayonnaise and some chili powder and some lime and some cream cheese and some... I'm like, really? That's all I need? That's all you need. And I was driving all around. I used to go far to get this corn because I really liked the taste. So hit it with a little lime. I don't like mine's real with a whole bunch of lime in it. And then normally I put the cilantro. Let me see if I got some dried cilantro. Because that'll make it taste so much better. I put the chili powder in the mayonnaise. Let's see. I got some cilantro. I got some dry cilantro. Because my other one went bad. What is that? What is that? What is that? What is that? Black pepper. Parsley. Oh. I'm going to officially give up because I don't see it. There go my chicken wings. So I learned this hack. When you're using your air fryer, right after you use it, right, put some water and dishwashing liquid in it and put it back and turn it on. It'll make it easier to clean. Ouch! Ouch! Sorry. I touched the damn hot part like an idiot. So I put it in there. So what that is going to do, that is going to make, no. Okay. So what that's going to do, that's going to make it easier to clean, okay? So now I have my corn ready. Give me some hot sauce. So this is like too much to eat at one helping. But normally what I'll do, I don't know why I did it like this. Normally what I would do, I will, when I do this, I will only put the mayonnaise on what I'm going to eat. Because you don't really want to warm this up with mayonnaise on it. So like, I don't have to eat that at room temperature when I do eat it. So that's how I make it. So if y'all ever wanted to make it and was wondering how you make it, that's how you make it. This one ain't cold enough. I need some hot sauce. You need some hot sauce? So now I'm ready to go and have something to eat. So that's how I make mine. And everybody have different ways that they make it. So just make it to the way that you will like it. So I hope you guys are having an awesome day, okay? All right, toodles. I know y'all always like for a person to taste what they made. And this got ricotta cheese and mayonnaise, sour cream, and real good. So if y'all ever want to make it, I need some of this, some of this, some mayonnaise, some I put a little ricotta cheese in here, chili powder, and you do it like that. So you cook the corn, and then when you get ready, mix it. The mayonnaise shouldn't be warmed up. So if y'all notice that the corn was hot, not the mayonnaise. So I do it with the ratio of me getting ready to eat. I wouldn't like make all this unless somebody ready to eat it, because I don't like to rewarm it, or the mayonnaise can't be heated up. So just keep that in mind. Alrighty, guys. And if you want a little bit of how you see it when you go, they put a little paprika on it. So alrighty, or the little red chili powder on top. Okay, toodles.